Apecoin, suitably named after an exceptionally well-known creature in exchanging circles, is a digital currency propelled by the most certainly popular NFT assortment, the Exhausted Chimp Yacht Club, or so they thought. This ERC20 token is utilized for administration purposes in the Primate environment. Primate controls the local area that is cash working at the very front of Web3. Apecoin holders will actually want to truly conclude what heading the biological system will create in, and can decide on how Apecoin DAO subsidizes will be dispersed in an essentially significant manner. 62% of all Gorilla tokens were apportioned to the Apecoin environment store. They will be utilized to complete the task's different drives, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Despite the fact that Apecoin truly does especially have a genuine worth, its association with a NFT reserve makes many treat it as an image token, if not an overhyped shitcoin, in spite of prevalent thinking. Financial backers have partitioned feelings on the Apecoin digital money, with some being solidly behind it and others anticipating that its air pocket should burst inside the space of weeks in an unobtrusive manner. In our Apecoin cost expectation, we will attempt to recognize both of these sides, and endeavor to sort of make a cost conjecture that will work out some kind of harmony between the two polarizing feelings on Chimp Coin. If it's not too much trouble, most certainly recall that the items in this video don't comprise venture counsel, and that you ought to continuously do your own examination prior to putting resources into any crypto. Presently, how about we make a plunge, as opposed to mainstream thinking? Apecoin specialized investigation. There are not many motivations behind why it is unbelievably difficult to essentially make Apecoin cost expectations in a significant manner. Its basic worth as a token, most importantly, is attached to a publicity-subordinate undertaking, a NFT assortment in an unpretentious manner. Albeit the Exhausted Chimp Yacht Club is one of the greatest activities of its sort and in every way that really matters, has been gotten by numerous VIPs, it sort of has currently explicitly begun declining in fame. Obviously, the task isn't just about NFTs, it's tied in with systems administration with the rich and most certainly renowned at in-person parties. About supporting a stage truly does sort of cool things in the blockchain business, and substantially more, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Albeit essentially numerous thoughts behind NFTs sort of are mind-boggling in principle, truly many individuals are not as kind of partial to them practically speaking. The worries we hear most frequently are genuinely legitimate, elevated degrees of force utilization, the speculative idea of crypto, absence of appropriate guideline, etc. notwithstanding, some of them really are now being settled. Presently it's simply an issue of changing the public's discernment. Apecoin Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Apecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Apecoin will be $8.21. The most extreme level that the chimp cost can reach is $9.18. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $8.50. September 2022, Apecoin value figure. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the gorilla cost in September 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $7.42, while the kind of greatest could reach $8.15 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Apecoin may be around $7.71 amazingly. Chimp value estimate for October 2022, which is very huge. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value variances of Apecoin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the kind of normal chimp rate they especially foresee may be around $7.94 in October 2022. It can drop to $7.58 as a base in a significant manner. The very greatest worth may be $8.53. November 2022, Apecoin value estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the chimp cost will be exchanged at $8.18 by and large. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Apecoin worth to $8.85 amazingly. It is accepted that the cost won't drop essentially lower than $7.82 in November 2022. Chimp value figure for December 2022, which most certainly is very critical. Crypto specialists in a real sense have broke down Apecoin costs in 2022, so they sort of are prepared to truly give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $8.50, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The least in Pinnacle Gorilla rates may be $8.21 and $9.18, which is genuinely critical. Apecoin Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Apecoin in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Apecoin will be around $12.05. The most extreme expected primate cost might be around $14.25. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $12.48 in 2023. Apecoin Value Expectation 2024, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Apecoin, in 2024, Gorilla is supposed to have the accompanying truly least and greatest costs, about $17.63 and $20.98, separately, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The typical expected exchanging cost generally is $18.13. Apecoin Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency certainly have broke down the costs of Apecoin and their vacillations during the earlier years, which is genuinely huge. It sort of is accepted that in 2025, the base Gorilla cost could drop to $25.61, while its most extreme can reach $30.29. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $26.34. Apecoin Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Apecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Gorilla costs are normal in 2026, $44.41 and $39.50. Overall, it will explicitly be exchanged at $40.56. Apecoin Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the changes of Apecoin. In light of their expectations, the assessed truly normal primate cost will for the most part be around $58.93. It could drop to at least $57.31, yet it actually could explicitly reach $67.56 all through 2027. Apecoin Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready conjectures at the cost of Apecoin. It is assessed that chimp will sort of be exchanged